as we have written the requirements for dashboard, let's design the report or the dashboard in Power BI now. Before designing, we need to download it. So in order to download it, we just need to simply type Power BI desktop download, and we have to go to the Microsoft website, and from here we can download it. So I've already downloaded it, but the process is pretty simple. So just click on download, click on next, 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 and it will be downloaded. After downloading the Power BI, the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the data. So as you probably know that we have created this Excel, and now we need to import this Excel so that we can visualize the metrics and draw the key insights. Okay. So here is our Excel. We need to click on open. Yeah. And we just need to select the tab that we want to import. So our tab name is insurance data, and then we'll need to click on load. Right. As we can see on the right under data section that our data has been loaded. Okay. Now what we need to do next is we have to create these top cards. So the first card is the number of policies. Right. So in order to do that, we have a visualization section. And here we have to see where the card is. So here is our card. Firstly, we need to give the data. So our visualization or our key card would be the number of policies. So probably what we'll do is we have a policy ID column, and then we need to click on this down arrow, and we need to select the count and distinct. Okay. Then we need to go to format your visual, general, title. You have to turn it on, and title would be number of policies. Then probably we can increase it to 16, and then we can give the background color as blue and text color as white, and probably we can make it at center. And I think so we are done. That's it. Further, what I think is probably we can decrease up the size for this count. We need to go to visual, call out value. Instead of 45, we can give it 35, enter. I think that's okay. This is fine. Let make it little concise so that we can have the 5 key cards, right? And then probably I'll copy it and paste it. Second key card is our total premium collected. And then if you want the key card for total premium collected, then probably we need to go for this premium amount, right? So we'll click on this 1 million, and then probably go on the format, and then probably we would be needing 2 decimal. So probably we would increase it to 2 so that it is useful for the insurance company, right? And we need to change the text. The text should be total premium collected. Premium collected. Next is the number of claims. So we need to go to this visual, and then general, title, and number of claims. Okay. As we probably see in the data, we do not have anything for number of claims. We have the claim status, but we cannot count that. We probably would be needing number of claims that have been requested by the client. If we count up the claim status, then probably NA would also be counted, and we do not want to count that. So for that, we need to create up a measure. So here we can create up a measure so that we can have a column created for it, and in that measure, the number of claims would be counted. So we need to click on that. We would name our measure as number of claims, right? And then we'll call the calculate function, and then we'll call the count rows function as well. We need to use insurance data, and then insurance data, claim status, and we would be needing approved, and rejected. Close this out, and then probably we can close the count rows bracket as well. That's and probably we'll have the number of claims, and we can use that. And we'll pick this and put in the field. So there are total 95 number of claims. We can check this as well. So what probably we can do is we can go over here and then select approved, pending, and rejected. And then probably we can see 95 rows. So count is 95. So we have done a pretty good job by creating up the measure. So we are done until this key card. Then probably the next key card would be total claim amount requested and total claim amount processed. General title, total claim amount requested, and then probably we already have a measure. We can probably increase it a little bit. Total claim amount requested. Okay. Or we can put it over here in the fields. So total claim amount requested by clients is $16 million. And then probably what we can do is we probably would be needing the decimal as well. So exact would be $16.45 million. And then last key card would be, and the title would be total claim amount processed. And then instead of requested, we can go for approved. Same thing, we have to go for the decimal part. We just need two decimal. Okay. So we are done with the top key cards, and now probably we'll be creating up our key visuals.